Hi, welcome to Zimstack Media. If you're new to this channel, please don't hesitate to like and subscribe. The case of the two ZANU-PF controversial businessmen Mike Chimombe and Moses Mpofu has stretched unexpectedly as the state continuously refuses to grant them bail. Today, Mike Chimombe and Moses Mpofu's application for bail and the matter of the Harare Street tender, which they got fraudulently, was thrown under the bus. Magistrate Stanford Mambanje in court said if the two were granted bail, they could easily leave the country and continue with their businesses as usual. They were further remanded in custody to the 12th of September 2024 when they will appear in court again. Indeed, there hasn't been joy for the two who have spent almost 2 months in prison. Thank you for staying tuned, and once again, if you're new to this channel, please don't hesitate to like and subscribe.